in our previous video, we looked at part C of question 10 from the May 2021 past paper. Let us look at part D. Now remember, you must practice. When it comes to the exam, you must do all questions. Do not leave anything out. When you come to working that paper, be mentally prepared. You must fight it hard. Do everything to pass. You must be brutal in dealing with that paper. Do justice and work hard. Practice hard and work hard in the exam. Now, we're ready for part D of our question. The points O, Q, and R. These are the points O, Q, and R. Have coordinates 0, 0. That's the origin. 5, 2. It's above x equals 5 and beside y equals 2. And negative 1, 4. This is above x equals negative 1 and is beside y equals 4. That is R. You can see that. Respectively. Respectively means in the same order that they were mentioned. Now, what is your mission? Write QR as a column vector. Now I already copied this question over to the other screen. It's right here. This is what you must do. QR. You must write QR as a column vector. Now remember, when you write a column vector, the column vector is in the form X, Y, where X is the horizontal position and Y is the vertical position. I said QR, it's OR. Now OR is this vector here. OR runs from here up to here. That is the vector you're going to write. Now, R is above negative 1 and 4. And as you can see, it's written in coordinate form as negative 1, 4. So therefore, OR is equal to X is negative 1, so it's negative 1 here. R is 4. So you write 4 there. That is what you must do. Do you see it? Make sure you understand what is happening. You get a mark for doing that. But the next part of your task is to determine QR. You must determine QR. What is QR? Now, look at what is happening here. QR. QR runs from Q to R. I will draw two arrows on this. Now, you can walk along this route from Q to R. Or what you could do is take the next route. You can walk from Q to R, from Q to O. Then you turn the corner and go up to R. So you go this way, turn the corner and go this way. And you end up at the same spot. Do you see that? So therefore, QR is equal to going from Q to O, then O to R. So QR is the same thing as QO plus OR. Let's write that. QR is equal to QO. It is equal to QO plus OR. Make sure you understand exactly what's taking place here. Now, what is QO? Remember the question I'd ask you. Write this as a column vector, then determine QR. That's what you are asked to do. I should write this as Q. QR is QO plus OR. Now what is QO? Let's look. QO is going in the opposite direction as OQ. The question says Q is located at 5, -2. Now, when you do that, you have to say QO is equal to -OQ. See that? It is -OQ. So QO is -OQ. So you rewrite this saying QR is equal to -OQ plus OR. Alright. Now, the next question is, what is OQ? QO is 5, 2. You can see that. QO own time to work this out. Now, we said before OQ is 5, 2. So negative OQ is negative 5, 2. So OR is equal to negative 5, 2 plus OR. What is OR? We have it up here. OR is negative 1, 4. Ensure you understand. Want you to concentrate. Take the time to concentrate and understand exactly what's happening here. Now, what you're going to do is open the bracket and make the 5 negative and the 2 negative. So this is equal to negative 5, negative 2. Good. Plus negative 1, 4. We're adding 2 column vectors here. So what you have is one single column vector. Negative 5 minus 1 in the x position. Negative 2 plus 4 in the y position. Negative 5 minus 1 is equal to negative 6. Negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. So it's negative 6, 2. QR is OR is negative 6, 2. Oh, QR, I mean, is negative 6, 2. It's QR, negative 6, 2. Now, we did that from adding the other 2 vectors. That is how you should do it in the exam. But let us trace the graph and see if that is the case. If you go along here and you want to go from Q to R, you can move horizontal and vertically. From Q, you go from here to here. How much do you move? You move from 5 to negative 1. That means you move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the left. So you move negative 6 to you move 6 places to the left. That means you move negative 6 along the x direction. When you move from this position up to R, how many places do you move upward? From negative 2 to 3, that's 1 place. From 2 to 3, that's 1 place. From 3 to 4, that's a second place. So along the y direction, you move 2 places. So you can see it's negative 6, 2 that you move. Now you get the same result as when you add the 2 vectors. Now, your homework is to do this part of the question again, but do not look at this solution or any other. Take this question and do it this part C and D and do them completely on your own. That is your homework. So that will be it for today.